Hello, this is my final exam. This is my home page actually, and here's a section that talks about me. I included my teaching philosophy. If you click over here on this left tab, you'll find this menu that shows you the activities we did throughout the class. First one is virtual discussion. The basic layout of this page is you'll have a task with a reflection, and then pictures if any are included, or any assignments with links. So next one's a self-selected virtual library. This one once again has the tasks, the reflection, and down here I put all the categories that we had in the self-selected virtual library. And say for example you click on informational biography, it'll take you right to that genre. They're all the books are on this side too, but they're broken down not only here but also in this website. Next category is a book trailer. The book trailer has its task, its reflection, and you just have to do a simple click right here and one more. You've got the book trailer. Next one is a reader response blog. So it doesn't look like much, but the secret is you just click on this book and it'll take you to all the response blogs along with all the work that was needed for these books. Family Literacy Backpack is the next one. Here are some pictures of my assignment. These are the names of the books here. And these are the activities. You click on these and it'll take you to a blank page of the activity. The library field experience is the next one. You've got the task and then the questionnaire to include the field hours. I was actually at the library today volunteering again, even though the assignment is over. And here are a couple pictures that I gathered from the library. Lastly, I have my author study along with our PowerPoint for it. Thank you very much and have a good day.